Nothing like going for a swim in a flooded cave. Welcome back to the Ozark Outlaws. And we're going for a swim in a flooded cave. I think the water's rising. We got to get out of here fast. When does hypothermia kick in? So we're stuck back here. Well, possibly. We could have died right back there. Well, we're headed to a cave.
Cave in an unknown location.
Unknown location. We got Master Caver again with us, Trace and Lawler, and some cousins in the background. He's a cave guide for me. And we're gonna have a great time, but we gotta find this cave first. It's been a year or two before we've been to it, so we gotta find the cave, and then we'll go from there. We're just following Trayson right now. We cut off the main road and we're looking for this trail that goes down to the cave, and we can't quite find it, or haven't found it yet anyways. This looks promising though.
Just like jump off the cliff. Oh, did I find it?
Pretty steep.
If I did that.
Huh? We found it?
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. So he has found it. It's over there. And this isn't the normal trail we walk on. As you can tell, kind of steep and treacherous, and it's gonna be like crossy roads for Trayson to get across this with the rocks falling down. Yep, I'm good. Oh. All right, we made it. Somehow we made it. So we just got to follow this little bluff all the way over to the cave entrance. There's a little bit of an overhang, but that's not the cave. So we're approaching the cave, and there it is. Awesome. So, Trayson, what's the plan here?
Well, we're gonna go where no man's been before.
All right, let's do this thing. Okay, so we just got suited up. We got our knee pads on that our guide provided us. We got these cool helmets too with our lights. They're pretty bright.
There's a kid here. They kidnapped.
Pretty bright. So there's this big cavern, and then it splits. There's a sinkhole somewhere in there, and it goes back further and narrows out. And I think that's where we're going to be at. So we're gonna go explore it. So all these holes in here is where people have been digging for arrowheads and whatnot, sifting through this silty stuff. You can see that silt, just that cave silt, is right through here. But we should come out of that before we get way back there. So there's the entrance.
I see a sifter. Hey guys, anyone want an ancient artifact?
Okay, so in this cave, there's a bunch of these crinoids, these little circle looking things. And they're a fossil, some crustacean. Probably the chronoid crustacean. But yeah, I mean, they're just all over in here. Yeah, look at all those chronoids in that.
Other than that, you've got 3 rings in this room.
Yeah, I found this star looking thing, and I don't really know what it is.
Okay.
Old Dr. Pepper can.
I see sprinklings.
Just a rock.
So, how do you feel about crawling? Is that too tight?
No. Are you claustrophobic? My leg's shaking stuff now. Not really, no.
Okay, well, there's one tight spot, and then it opens up a little bit. Me and Tegan are gonna do a through trip. So right after this room, it's gonna split off. We're gonna go left. You guys will not. Okay, let's see how we feel. We'll regroup in the next room. That's not very far.
Go team.
I'll bring up the rear.
Oh, you'll have fun. Yeah, my feet are. If I get stuck.
Trayson just said there was a bat up there on the ceiling.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, there he is.
Wait for Tegan, and then we'll make our plan. Sound good? Okay, so me and Tegan, there's a passage over there. We're gonna go down in.
And we're going to go.
We will probably be back in that main room in about 45 minutes.
I wouldn't mind looking.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. We'll plan on that.
Sound
How's that
good.
sound?
Sound good.
Okay.
Okay, so this is where we departed Easton and Owen.
Okay, we
They're
will.
going back that way.
Yeah.
And
We'll try to be out by 3.
Cricket. 3?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys don't have to insanely hurry.
Okay, sounds good.
so the plan is to go down this little bitty hole, and it is itty bitty. And
Emphasis on itty.
yeah, we'll have to walk through some water down there, and but this should lead to another entrance to this cave.
Might even see some blind fish, but I never have.
Oh, that would be cool. Yeah. Might see like some blind bears,
I doubt it.
blind bats. Wow, that's a sketch. What about this right way, Trayson? Doesn't go anywhere?
I don't think so, but if you want to check it out, just crawl that way real quick.
Okay.
I'll wait down here.
Okay.
And I'll look right, but I don't remember being able to go that way.
Okay. No, I think it dead ends back there. So now I got to crawl down this little hole. That's pretty cool. Look at that water. Good? Yeah.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is... Look at that water. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is
I wonder if there's any like blind crawdads or anything. Dude, that might be like an arrowhead, I don't know. We'll take it with us and figure it out. Bet there's something under this big rock. Nope, nothing. Tracy,
What?
is this an arrowhead or anything?
No.
No?
This is just a piece of
Would have been cool.
just a piece of limestone.
Alright, let's release them.
Coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I think the water's gonna be unavoidable.
Yeah.
Okay, go back.
Yeah, so he's checking in a lead over there and just waiting here. I'm soaked to the bone and water. Water, water, water. Lots of water in here. More than we expected. So, Trayson, what's the deepest part of this little creek?
I don't know. Pretty deep.
It goes down a ways. Can't tell.
What?
It looks like when the water gets up, this is a secondary drain.
So it doesn't go?
It keeps going.
I'm gonna check the time real quick.
Alright.
Okay, it's 2:31. We still have 30 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, don't follow me.
Okay, take it out.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, too small for us to fit.
Okay.
Now I gotta back out of here. Oh. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Good grief. Ow. Oh.
Take it slow, you're good.
There's a rock there. Okay. Want a drink? Good grief, how old is that?
Well, it's not stainless.
Well, you have a barcode?
I don't see one.
Yeah.
Mission root beer.
Wow.
Dextrose enriched.
Makes thirst a pleasure. Oh, that's deep.
Not as deep as it's about to be.
Oh boy. Oh my. You ever been under there?
No.
Yeah? What? Yeah, I can't even stick my leg up under there.
No.
Oh yeah, here we go. This is getting a little dicey.
Oh. I guess that's a good word for it.
Oh wow. Nothing like going for a swim in a flooded cave. Welcome back to the Ozark Outlaws. And we're going for a swim in a flooded cave. Good grief. When does hypothermia kick in?
What?
We gotta squeeze in there, in the water.
Okay, watch these rocks.
Yeah?
I'm actually gonna move this one.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Just toss. Yep. Never heard it hit the bottom. That looks fun. And I gotta go do that. Oh boy. How did you fit through there?
What do you mean?
It's crazy. You don't think I can fit? I'm gonna fit through the water.
Okay. You can, just keep your head up.
Yeah. Hold that.
You okay?
Yeah, clearing myself out. Oh, we made it.
You okay? Whew. Okay, onward.
Yeah, I don't remember there being this much water last time.
Last time it was dry.
It was dry last time. But they just had a big old flood. Like, it raised everything like 30 feet. And it's been a week after the flood, but I mean, there's still a bunch of water in here. We could have died right back there.
I think it's solid.
What?
I don't think we can do a food trip right now. I think we'll have to turn around. I think we can fit through here.
Wait, what? Wait a minute. What happened, Grayson?
I think it's sunk. I don't think we'll be able to do a food trip this time.
So that caved in?
No, it didn't cave in. The water is up over the entrance of the spring.
Oh my goodness. So we're stuck back here.
Well, possibly.
Dude, we can fit through there. Oh yeah, we can fit through there easy.
Yeah, I'm going to leave my bag here. I'll be right back.
Alright. The average human can hold his breath for 3 minutes. Trayson can hold his breath for 7. He's just taking his time and just moving along.
We may be good.
Okay, I'll bring your bag. Got it. Perfect. Okay, into the depths we go again. Oh. Oh wow. Alrighty.
Let's take out a high lead real quick.
Up here. I think the water's rising. We got to get out of here fast. All right, what do we got? Oh, here we go. Neat, neat.
Several formations.
Yeah, look at all those things sticking to the ceiling. That's pretty cool. We'll get a closer view. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's pretty neat.
So it looks like this one was connected, and then something shifted, broke off.
Yeah, let's get a closer view of that one. So what would you say?
Well, it was a column that broke.
But how's that happen?
Yeah, it could have been water, it could have been something shifted. No telling.
So this cave's falling in on us right now.
I doubt it. Hey, we look at this rimstone pool. Sometimes they got cool stuff.
Up there?
Yeah. I don't see anything swimming.
There's some more up here. Wow.
Wow. I guess it's a fungus, I'm not real sure.
So that's going to be the new strain of COVID-19 right there.
Probably not.
Oh, let's guess. And Tracy's going to catch it first.
We're not in Wuhan.
Oh, that's pretty neat. Wow. No, you don't see that every day, unless you go in a cave every day, but I don't go in a cave every day.
So we're probably getting pretty close to the other entrance, because he's probably from the surface.
Ooh, that's a nasty looking one.
You know what you can also do with cave bacon? Here, you
can eat it.
You stay here.
Let me stay here.
Works better with some than others.
Yep, I see it. You can see it right there.
Barely, huh?
Yep. That's pretty neat. Okay, onward. More water. Oh man. More water.
spiders are everywhere. It's disgusting. Wasn't the ones I was talking about. I was talking about the blind white ones. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool though. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, he's moving. Whoa. I can see clearly now, the cave is gone. Anything in that pocket? Oh man. What's that smell? Smells like ozone.
Decaying stuff.
Do what?
Just decaying stuff, I'm sure.
Oh wow. Daylight. Whew.
304. That was about right.
Nice. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video of our little cave expedition. I think Trace is going to take Easton back through, and then I'm going to look for some fossils and stuff, and I'll let you know what I find. But thanks for watching. Okay, so I found another one of these star things. Not sure what it is. Comment below if you know what this is. Huh. Oh, score. Look at that. Yeah, I've been finding a lot of these things. Cool.